In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this mobile worker to earn a lot of money during your own time or part-time. This mobile worker is very easy and simple way to register. I'll leave a video link on this video description so that you can use it and register and be part of this global earning. So this is how easy and cheaper way you can do your tax and earn a lot of money. So you can see my total assets 4.81. That's what I have learned so far. This is how you you do your tax as well. You click on this LV1, that's the stationery area. You click on that, then you go to order grabbing. After that, you click on purchase. After clicking on purchases, you hear a sound that tells you that your order has added to your accounts. So you click on again. So you have to do this over and over so that your account can be increased. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, or you can give us thumbs up or thumbs down. So you have to continue doing this until they tell you that you have done with the today's tax. So this is how very cheap and easy way that you can earn a lot of money by using this particular mobile worker app. So let me show you how you can withdraw your money. You have to click on this object here, then you click on withdrawal. So withdrawal fee is 18% that you have to pay, and you have to withdraw 150 or above. So let's see, I don't have that kind of money, but let's see 150 withdrawal. So you can see MTN mobile money. So that's my mobile money here, number here. So you click on withdrawal. So it seems like the amount is not reached, so that's why I couldn't do it. So this is how you withdraw your money, and this is very easy. You can also increase your your total asset or your amount by inviting your friends. Let me show you how you can invite your friends. Inviting your friends. So you click on that, so you can see the top there, referring code, and then the team worker, the referral link, sorry, and you can copy them, and then so let's see, I'm going to use this one to this girl. So let's paste it here and see. So this is it. You have to also use your referral code so that they can notice that it's you who do this. So this is how easy way that you can earn a lot of money during your own time and day. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, give us thumbs up or thumbs down. Thank you very much. See you next time.